guys, I wanted to end this vlog with what I received for my birthday. Some are things I purchased for myself and some are a gift from my husband. So as you saw, I received something from Van Cleef. This is my first product from Van Cleef, and I actually am a little nervous to even wear it. So I've had this over a week now and I haven't opened it up because one, I wanted to record it so that way I have it as, you know, something for me to look back on. Two is because I'm a little nervous wearing it. I don't know why, I just am. So here's the beautiful packaging that it comes in, and I'm quite sure a lot of you have seen unboxings for Van Cleef, and I apologize, this is nowhere near trying to show off. It's a first for me, and this is my channel where I want to keep my activity of my life on record for my own self, for my grandchildren, for my children, when that day comes when I'm no longer here. But yeah, so yeah, this is it. It comes in this beautiful green velvet case or bag to protect it. And oh crap, it's fallen out. And I received the black, and I chose the black onyx, which is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, come on, focus, 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 focus. I'm not sure if it's going to focus or not, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and I can't wait to wear this. I'm actually going to go out to dinner with my girlfriends tonight to celebrate my birthday, so I will be wearing this. But yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful. They had the white mother of pearl, which I absolutely loved, and they had the red, which I don't remember the name of the stone of the red, but and I was trying to choose between the black onyx or the mother of pearl, and the young lady who helped me at the Wynn Resort, she suggested that I start off with the black onyx because I could wear this all the time without taking it off if I choose, where the mother of pearl is more porous and you shouldn't get it wet too often. So, and I would have to take that off. She said it'd be best for me to take it off when I take my showers or, you know, get in the pool or something, which I would do that for this anyways, the pool. But for taking a shower, I would love to just wear this. Now I wanted to actually go to Cartier to see the love bracelet, but I didn't have a chance to do that because I fell in love with this one first. So I should have just waited to see the Cartier one, but that's okay. If it's another choice for Christmas present or my birthday present next year, because next year is a huge birthday for me, which is the big 6-0. So you never know, I might get it for my birthday next year. So that is Van Cleef. And she also gave me, and I'm trying to work on my ums, so I apologize because I say a lot. I've caught myself doing that on when I'm editing these videos, so I'm working on it. She gave me, and there it is, another she gave me this beautiful book, which has, you know, beautiful illustrations. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? It's just so pretty, of their product and their jewelry. So yeah, I'm going to probably just leave this on a table, perhaps this table that you guys are sitting on now. And then she gave me Poetry of Time, which I'm quite sure everyone gets this when they purchase a beautiful jewelry from them, but just in case if anyone out there that's watching this that has not yet purchased Van Cleef jewelry, this is gorgeous. So you'll most likely get these two books. They probably change them out, you know, monthly or something. But so, and then I went to Hermes it's a Bellagio. I went to Bellagio and I have an essay there, but my essay from Hawaii has been transferred to the Wynn, and it's the reason why I went to Van Cleef, because I went to see my essay at Hermes first because I wanted to get a few things from her and to put in my wish list. So I bought how many things did I get from her? Oh, 2 things. I wanted a pair of shoes. They're sandals. They're not the Arons. They're the ones that have the little heel. I have yellow and metallic silver, but I really wanted to have more of a neutral color that I wear all the time, which is, of course, black. So I picked these up from her. I know I'm going to wear these all the time. I don't wear the yellow ones as often, and yellow's more for summer. These I could probably wear up till probably about now. It's now getting a little chilly here where I want my toes covered, but I wanted these. They did change. This used to be black, and now it's this natural heel. So yeah, I got the black sandals, and then there is a belt buckle that I've been looking for. I have it in silver, but I wanted it in gold. But you can only get it unless you buy a belt. So I purchased another belt from them, which is, I don't know what this is called, so I know there's probably some people out there that knows Hermes a lot more than I do, and that you'll know the style of this belt. But I do have black, but this is the thinner version. But this one is reversible, so it's brown on one side and black on the other. However, what I really was looking for and wanted was this buckle, which is this one here. So I have this in silver with the Rouge H color, and on the opposite is their classic orange. So I chose to get, and that particular, the Rouge H color belt has this in silver. I don't know if I just said that, but so I wanted the gold. So I chose the classic black with brown, and I really don't have a brown belt, so this will be worn quite often as well. So those are my little gifts. Of course, my youngest came over yesterday and cooked me brunch, which was lovely. As I think earlier in the video, I said that I went out to dinner with my oldest daughter. My middle is having lunch with me next week, and my husband and I went out to dinner last night, and then tonight I am going out to dinner with some girlfriends. So that is it, and then we'll see what else the month of November brings me. But I'm blessed and I'm thankful, and I wanted to share that with you, and I hope you guys had a wonderful first half, pretty much now, of November, and you're preparing for Thanksgiving. I do also plan on doing Vlogmas, my first year, and I'm hoping for the best. I'm gonna try and vlog every day, 25 days straight. Maybe have to combine 2 days together because I work in the office and I'm not sure how much information or entertainment I can provide on those days, but we'll see. So I'm preparing for that. I'm excited, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will see you soon.